Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chelsea for those of you who are new, and today I decided to create this simple glowy pink look for you. If you guys want to see how to create it, please keep watching. So my foundation is on and my face is set. I just did my brows, so I'm going to be starting by going in with some bronzer, and I'm going to be using Hoola by Benefit. I'm going to be going in with my Beau Belle B4 brush for this. Then I'm just going to take it, pinch it, and just go up and down the sides of my nose. For blush, I'm going to be going in with Too Faced's Fruit Cocktail Blush Duo in Stroberry. And I'm going to be using both of them. I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills A19 brush for this. I like this blush because it's got a little bit of shimmer in it, so it's kind of like pre-highlighting. Now for my eyes, it's going to be a super simple look today. I'm going to start by going in with MAC's Strobe Cream, and this is going to be kind of like my primer. And this is in the shade Pinklite. So I'm just going to take some of that on my Sigma Concealer F75 brush. Any concealer brush will work. You just take a bit and just pat it in with your finger. And I'm going to set that using Too Faced Translucent Ethereal Setting Powder on my Anastasia Beverly Hills A7 brush. And then taking a crease brush, I'm going to be going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills A12 brush. And I'm going to go back in with that Hoola bronzer and blending that in to the crease. You can also get it in the outer V a little bit, but mainly focus it in the crease. Now using this blush again, going in with the lighter side first and then on top of that with the darker side, I'm going to go into my inner corner and brow bone using my Sigma E46 brush. So I lied, I'm just going to go with the lighter side because that's pink enough. So I just went in on my inner corner with that. And then for my brow bone and my highlight, I'm going to be going in with Smashbox, the Hood Wish Crystalized Highlighter in Opti-Mistic. Using that same brush. Then popping this on my nose. And for my highlight, I'm going to go in with this sort of long fluffy brush. This is from Morphe. Doesn't have a name. Now I'm going to line my eyes really thin right around my lashes just so I can make a place to put my fake lashes. I'm going to be going in with NYX's Epic Ink Liner. Just going super close to the lash line. So just like that, and then going in with Luxy Lash's Lil Miss Money. Now for mascara, I'm going to be going in with Buxom's Blackest Black Mascara. And just blend these lashes. Now lastly for lips, I'm going to be lining my lips with Whirl by MAC. And then going into Smashbox New Los Angeles in Free Spirited and Practical Magic. I'm going to mix those two. And then going over that with the first Free Spirited. Then popping a bit of that light Practical Magic on. And then spraying my face with MAC's Fix Plus. This is in Cherry Blossom. And this is the final look. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. Also, leave any questions, thoughts on this look, or requests for new videos below in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video.